Sa lahat po ng aming mga kapatid na Muslim sa buong mundo, kami po ay bumabati ng Ramadan Kareem. Sana po ay pagpalain po tayong lahat.
Wishing a very happy Ramadan to you and to your family.
Ramadan Kareem, may the Ramadan bring you peace, prosperity, and spiritual fulfillment.
May the spirit of Ramadan illuminate your path and lead you to the righteousness. Ramadan Kareem.
May your fasting in Ramadan be accepted and may you granted all that you seek. Ramadan Kareem.
On this special occasion, Ramadan is the month of mercy, blessing, forgiveness, and freedom on this day. Happy Ramadan to all of you from Veritas Visa Services.
Ramadan Kareem from Veritas Visa Services.